What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Look, here we are up in the Nashville area. My wife has a baby shower this weekend, and I'm up here with her. And I thought my time schedule would be a little more crunched than what it is, but it's actually not. So I got some time to kill, and look where I ended up. Here at the local academy. Look what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. I'm going here. I didn't bring any fishing gear with me, but there's a lot of little creeks and stuff around this area, and so I'm going here, try to get me a little starter kit and go see if I can't catch one. So let's go inside, see what we got. All right, so I'm trying to stay budget minded. I found this little Zebco combo for 45 bucks. When you're doing this, you're trying to stay on a little budget. Look, it comes with a line already. So that's one thing I don't have to buy. So like, here we go. I'm not getting a lot of crickets, so that ought to be enough. We're gonna keep this super basic, and we're just trying to get a bite. So now let's go get some crickets. All right, we're leaving Academy. I don't know how much you will be able to use what I talked about in there because of the music over the intercoms or whatever, and copyright stuff. But look, I got all my stuff. We'll go through them again pretty quickly when we get to the creek where we're going. The reason I'm going to a creek because it rained up here today, so it may have a little flow in it, and flow is always a good thing for fishing. So, but I'll go through it as I build my tackle box, just in case I can't use any of the audio from in there. But we were able to keep it under 100 bucks, and man, that's kind of cool. Like, I got enough stuff to go fishing, and not only just go fishing, but like have a chance to do well, you know. So let's get in the rig. We got gas in the boat today. Our boat is a GMC, and let's go figure it out. We'll slap a chesty on, and we'll go see if we can't catch some. We have our weapon. Now we just need a bullet. I'm actually just gonna put this stuff in my pockets. Load my pockets down. I'm gonna start with a wacky worm. Super simple. Fish everywhere eat a wacky worm. And of all species. So we don't care what we catch. We don't care. We just want to catch one. Here we go. Look at this creek though. It ain't got much flow in it. I was expecting it to have some with the rain, but it don't. So I kind of wish I'd have bought a little frog or something, or a pawpaw or something like that. But you know, you never know. I can always go back tomorrow. Wacky worm. Look, normally I'd have an O-ring. I don't, so I'm just gonna get somewhere about the middle, slide it through, come up through the gap. Boom. I'm actually gonna hide my gap in that little slot of the dinger. That's it. Let's go see if we can catch this one. All right. Oh, there is a little flow in here. Look at there. Okay, there is a little flow. That's a good thing. Now that I see the current. Let's see. First cast. I got a little got a buddy over there. Let's just see if we can't figure out something. Our goal is one. Our goal is one fish of some species. Better to find out now than later. I'm gonna do something I can fart around with a little bit. Crankbait. I can do. One, I can cover a lot more water with it. Two, it should come through all this wood pretty good. I didn't realize this creek was going to have this much wood in it. So one fish is all we're after. It's not too much to ask for. Oh, that was a fish. I had a bite, boys. Forget that. That was a bite. Boom. There we go. I run it into something. But I did have a bite. Ha! Wasn't very big. It must have been when it was ticking off the bottom. Okay, moving on. Yes, yes, yes. Ha ha! We did it, boys. We did a largemouth. We did it. One fish. That's what we were after. One. We got it done. I can't tell you how happy that makes me. My goodness gracious. Unreal. One bass. We got another one, boys. We're on a heater now. I'll tell you this. Hopefully, another large head. Another little larger. Quick release. Look at there. Perfect. Ha! We got us two of them. Oh, no. No. Not yet. Oh, I think that was my hook on the other end there. All right, that's a wrap. I'm gonna leave this on in case I fall. That way y'all can laugh at me. Climbing rocky hills in wet flip-flops. No idea where I'm at. Oh, I covered some ground. What is up, guys? Look, day 2. If I'm in that little creek, I'm gonna walk, slide down it, and see what's happening. It's a little bit of rain in the area, so I don't know, but we're gonna slide down, see what happens. If I have to put the cameras up, I will, but hey, you never know. Fishing new water every day. We'll see if we can't catch us a couple more. Hopefully we do. Yesterday we got really lucky, I feel like. Hopefully today we can get lucky again. Well, that didn't take long. I don't know what I should do. Let me pull up my phone. Not even on the radar yet. But let me tell you something. It's raining. I don't mind getting wet. I just don't want my camera to get hurt. I may ought to go with the cleaner path for the time being. But it looks like less rain this way. Let's just slide on down. See what we got going. See if I learned anything from yesterday. A bunch of little fish behind us. I just don't know what all these fish are. Like some of the stuff I stop and fish for, I don't know if they even like bite artificial. Those don't look like anything I want to catch, but you never know. I want to catch them all, but I may be wasting my time fishing for them. There's a bunch of them right there. believe there's not a little bass or something there with them. I think I'm gonna walk upstream. I don't know what those are. See if I can just make sure there's not a bass hanging out on that little rock shell. Oh, it looks pretty down there. Let's just walk up a little piece. See what we got. See if this is silty or rocky or what we got here. The cool thing about this kind of fish, the water's a lot cooler up here than where I was fishing yesterday. Ooh, it's slick too. Look at all the fish. Bunch of them, I don't know what they are. There's a bunch of them. You would think that like somewhere up in there would be something that I would want to catch. Just don't know which way this stuff moves here. Oh, got bit. That's some kind of sunfish. Okay. Little guy. Real little guy. Right? Man, I just want to fish that pool right there for sure. Look at all the fish. What the crap they are. Ooh. But I haven't seen anything that looks even remotely like a bass yet. Oh my gosh, this stuff's slick today. This ain't where I was yesterday. I'm not seeing a bass yet. I'm only seeing one confirmed sunfish. So I may need to head down towards the main lake. Big monster bluegill. That's a big bluegill. Got it. That was awesome. I don't know what it is, but that was awesome. He ate that sucker. Look at there. I'm gonna let you go. You'll just give me my hook back. It's just right there in the corner of your neck. There we go. Just had you on that skin. Look at that guy. Look how cute he is. Creek fishing, boys. That's a cool little fish. He's sitting on my bed right there. I'm gonna let him go back. Right back to his bed. Alright, we're on the board. I got me one. I got me one. What is it? A little largemouth in the pouring rain. I got me one. Look at there. And I'm so happy. Look at that. Haha. Look how cool. Yep, a little larger. A little larger. Beautiful. I love fishing. Golly, I love fishing. Ooh, I don't like rain though. You might do, but wow, I don't like fishing in the rain. It's dumping buckets right now, boys. Well, as you can tell, I'm not on the pond anymore, or the creek. I got rained on quite substantially, so I decided to call it a day with two more. So 2 fishing trips, 2 fish each time. That's what it's all about. I had a blast walking creeks because I don't ever get to do that. We don't have those kind of streams back home, so a lot of fun. Look, whatever you got, if you got time to kill, get out there. It doesn't matter. What does it matter? There to have fun. And I did, caught 4 fish and saw some more. So, but saw some stuff I mean, I'm sure I'll see again, but I don't get to see often. So thank y'all, appreciate y'all. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We got more stuff coming, more exciting things happening with us, and we'll see y'all next time. We're out.